Give you a little closer view now. She probably won't talk, but prove me wrong. She's got her special shirt on.
It's really for mommy.
Hi, baby. Daddy's also that flexible, and it just runs clearly in the family. Except I'd be broken if I tried that.
Is your glass by the
Oh, I'm not going to use
toaster oven?
one. Yeah, it is, but I'm just going to drink my root beer. It's
Oh,
out of a
okay.
can.
Okie dokie.
This fun toy you're getting to play on, Alexa. Look at this. It's a big butterfly.
We danced for you.
Flap the butterfly's wings, Kels. She was grinning about that one in a better way. You're just telling all those animals what they need to do, aren't you, Alexa? Get them in line.
Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. Hi. Hi, Alexa. How are you? Are you talking to me? Are you telling me a big story? I love you. Yeah. Oh my, that's a big story. Oh my. I'm so glad you made it out okay. You're so brave. Do I ride with you in the car? Yeah. We're car buddies, aren't we? We like to ride in the car seat together. You make me smile and I make you smile. You're good team.
It's a symbiotic relationship, clearly.
Look at me dance, sweetie.
Alexa, can you spell symbiotic? That's close. It's S-Y, not S-I.
Butterfly in the sky. Yeah. Alexa, who's coming over tonight to see you? Who's coming over tonight to see you? Carolyn and Jim Hardy coming over? We're gonna eat lots of ice cream. Yay for ice cream.
No ice cream for you, sorry.
She'll get some.
Processed ice cream.
Yours will be soft serve.
Yay! Yay!
She's like, no, I know my butterfly. I like it better.
That's my fave. Whoa.
And dance! Dance! We gotta dance for Alexa! Dance for Alexa! Oh. We spit up.
Spit up for Alexa.
I'm sorry, baby. Let me get...
Bye, Alexa. It was fun talking with you.